Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be taking apart and unboxing a couple Dewalt chargers, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up these two chargers from Lowe's. This is the 12 amp fast charger from Dewalt. Which is the DCB1112, Delta Charlie Bravo 1112, and then this one is the 6 amp charger. This one will do 12 and 20 volts. This is 20 volt only. This one is a Delta Charlie Bravo 1106. I was also thinking on later down the road doing a video for you guys on comparison between chargers. There's a couple chargers I don't have, which maybe I might end up picking up. I don't know. They are pretty slow chargers. So one of the ones I don't have is this guy right here. You can get this guy at this guy right here. It's a dual charger. You can get it at Lowe's as well. It's 99 bucks at Lowe's. This is the DCB1102, 12 volt and 20 volt charger. This one is a simultaneous charger. It also has two USB ports, but it puts out 1.5 amps max for those two USB ports. This is a 1.7 amp charger though. So this one will only charge 1.7 amps. I don't know if that's both ports at the same time or one port at a time. I'm not sure. I do know it's a simultaneous charger, so it should charge two batteries at the same time. But I didn't grab this because I figured that's kind of slow. This one is a 6 amp. This one is a 12 amp. And I also have these guys up here, which are the DCB1106, which is the regular fast charger. That one over there in the box is the 12 amp version of that one. And then I have a couple others. So I was thinking about doing a video comparing all these chargers for you guys. This is the DCB115, and the 115 is a 4 amp charger. And I also have some out in the barn with the rest of the extra chargers I have. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do a video on it. If you guys want to know the differences between all these chargers. I do, for the piece of information at the beginning of the video, all black chargers are 12 volt and 20 volt. If the charger is all yellow, it does 20 volts only. This one is yellow and black. So the 12 amp charger is actually different. 12 amp fast charger is different than the DCB118 fast charger. So that's how you can tell. Like these, they're black in the back, yellow in the front. Anything that's black in the back and yellow in the front is a 20 volt only charger. And there is another charger I don't have as well. And Milwaukee makes one of these style chargers too. This is this one right here where you can plug it into a cigarette lighter. This is the DCB119. This is a 12 volt max and 20 volt max lithium ion vehicle battery charger. This one is, it will quickly charges battery to minimize downtime. For 12 volt batteries, the DCB120, which is the battery, it's a 1.3 amp hour battery. It will charge that battery in 40 minutes. And a 20 volt battery, a 1.5 amp hour 20 volt battery, it takes 45 minutes to charge. So even this charger, the DCB119, is a very slow charger. It's probably somewhere in the range of 0.7 amps or 0.7 of an amp charging rate. So they're slow. This one right here is the 12 amp fast charger. Usually these aren't sealed like that. Usually you can actually just pop these open. Alright, let me get the cutter real quick. We'll get these open. Take a quick look at them. Okay. Come on now. Okay, there's that guy. Instructions. Container's empty other than the information on the back. It says tool warranty, 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, 90-day money back guarantee. I usually put that on everything. It's a little card with your NSA theft tracker. So you get your instruction booklet for it. And on the back, and if you look at the back of the chargers, it will actually give you all the information that you need. Input 120 volts, 60 hertz, 6 amps input. Output 12 amps DC. Charge only when the battery is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. And it also tells you the distance between these hooks right here. 6 inches and 3/8 of an inch between the hooks, so you can mount it on the wall. Kind of wish Makita would add these to theirs, so you can just hang them on the wall. Doesn't seem like it's much smaller, to be honest, or much bigger, I mean. Yeah, it's not really much bigger than its perspective unit. So it's a little bigger. There's a little perspective for you. It's not much bigger. Maybe a half an inch bigger. And then this one right here is the 12 amp, or the 6 amp. Pop this one open real quick. I will definitely do a video comparing the chargers. I know a lot of people don't necessarily know the difference. A lot of these tool kits, like these extreme tools right here, a lot of the tool kits, they come with the cheaper, slower chargers, and people don't realize that. Get that out of my way. See, this one is actually easier. This one I can actually open the clamshell. Because the whole point of these little pop clips right here is you just cut the sides or the top off, and then you literally unpop them and you can just take it out. I do like that, you know, sometimes you don't get one that works very well, and sometimes it just doesn't work at all. But you can reuse this if you wanted to. Seals itself right back up. Same information on the card, 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, 90-day money back guarantee. This one also comes with the instruction booklet, 6 amp. So this one right here would be the instruction booklet for this one. And this one, and there is a difference between some of these chargers. Some of these black DeWalt chargers, they have the charging port on the right hand side. Some of them, this sticker's on the right hand side and the charging port's on the left side. And that does also change the charging current. This is 6 amp right there. So on the back, DCB1106 says 120 volt AC, alternating current, 60 hertz, 2.5 amps in, output 6 amps DC out. So we'll put 6 amps into the battery, direct current directly to the battery. This is 5.5 inches, or 5 1/4 inches. It's 5.25 inches between the mounting points, so it's a little bit smaller. So this might actually be the size of the regular fast charger. Yeah, it's pretty much the same size. Yep. So the DCB1106 is 12 volt, 20 volt charger is actually about the exact same size as the DCB118, which is just a fast charger. This one actually has cooling ports right here that go into the battery. It does not look like there's any cooling ports to spray air into the battery that I can tell. But couple nice battery chargers. 79 bucks for the 6 amp is not bad. 100 bucks for the 12 amp isn't bad either. When you buy flexible tools, you get a lot of these DCB118s, which is why I have so many of them. This one's really dusty because I use it to charge all of my power equipment OPE tool batteries that when I put batteries on my OPE tools, they get dirty and dusty, and I always slap it on the charger. This charger mainly gets used the most. And I also have the Makita dual rapid or dual fast charger right here. But it's just a quick video, just pulled apart a couple, opened up a couple new items. I'm gonna put this on the wall with the other chargers. And I'm thinking I might put this one down here. No, probably not a good place for it. But I'll end up putting it up here somewhere. Might fit right there just fine. But I'm going to end up mounting these up. I can always take them down if I need to do a video on them. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video though. If there's any information you guys would like, just ask, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them the best I can. I didn't have any of these, and these are technically, these are the only two chargers that I physically bought as a charger on its own, other than this one. And I didn't buy this Milwaukee rapid charger. I actually bought the leaf blower, and I got this rapid charger for free. So in all essence, I've actually only bought two chargers, physically bought them, where I went to the store and picked up chargers. I might take a look at some of the other chargers, I don't know. I do have plenty of chargers. I got the smaller variants of this, the 115. I probably got 4 or 5 of those. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. If you guys want me to do a comparison video showing the differences between all these chargers that I do have, as well as just introducing some of the other chargers on like my phone like I did at the beginning, and give you guys specs on them, I'll definitely do that. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also do have an ULSA link down below for ULSA Tools that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. All affiliate links are commission links for me. I earn a commission off of them if you do use them. Doesn't cost you anything extra on one of your guys' orders or anything like that. They just send me a commission for sending you guys over whatever link you click on. If you do use the links, I do very much appreciate it because it does save me a little money, allows me to put money back into the channel, get things for the channel for you guys to view, or camera equipment, stuff like that. So anything you do use on the links does very much help the channel out. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!